Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk on a topic which is not a new topic really. So the topic is on 5 traits required for the job of a digital leader. Now that's a topic that has been spoken about many times in different forums, in different occasions on the online medium, on YouTube. But I'm going to talk about the traits and not the attributes and not the roles, not the functions, but I'm going to talk about the traits. So that's why I thought this is an important topic even today. And also, I find a lot of people who are in the digital space or who are actually looking to getting into the digital space really need to hone up their skills to become leaders of tomorrow. So let's dive in and let me share my slides right away. So there you go. So first is actually the mind. So it's everything is in the mind. If you have a strong mind, if you have a willpower to do something, you can do. Now that has been said by many smart, intelligent people. Now you have gone to the university and you've done a course and you have graduated from there. Obviously, you've learned a lot from the university course. You also may have worked somewhere and gained some knowledge over time, and you have become probably a master in something, or you have acquired some specialized skill sets. Now, digital skills and knowledge are the key outcome of an intelligent mind. So when you have if you when you're able to really underscore the skills that you acquired and the knowledge that you acquired, and you manage to put that into practice, you manage to put that into doing something which builds the organization that you're working for, and that really takes the organization to a new level. That's where you apply bring in the trait of an intelligent mind. So that's what I mean when I say that if being intelligent is really an asset for you, which you can use to pitch yourself for the job profile that you're looking for in the digital space. The second point is being innovative. Now, innovation is all about solving a problem. Now, leaders obviously all solve their problems, but it is that smart thinking which actually brings or sharpens the skills to being innovative to solve a problem for the organization. So every organization faces some sort of problem. Now, if you are able to find a very smart solution to that problem, that's where you're and innovatively bringing something which was not really used in the past, and that's where your skill set of being innovative comes in. So that's also a key trait that digital leaders must have to excel in today's day of digital revolution and digital transformation, whatever you call it. The third point is obviously being analytical. So you must be very good with numbers, data crunch, playing with numbers. So being analytical, data management, technological skills, all these actually contribute to a skill set and a unique ability that can foster the growth of the organization that you're working for. So you must be really be good with the numbers and how you interpret those numbers and how you bring forth a change in the organization or in the work process or in, let's say, innovation, as we spoke about, of the products or services, or you're bringing a change in the organization for the good to take it up somewhere. Using the data that you've got, or even managing the data. How do you procure the data? How do you keep the data? How do you store data? What kind of technical skills you use, coding, and all of that are really big skills that you really need to bring in that that aspect of being analytical in your role as a leader in the organization. The fourth point is that mind of being agile. So the agility. Now, in the digital space, you would hear about coding, agile coding, and Scrum Master, and all of that. I'm not talking about all of that. I'm talking about the fact that a leader who must be really, really sharp, alert, focused, dedicated, and must have a super agile mind to be able to identify challenges, problems, to be able to see in the future what other challenges may come and how you want, what kind of actions you want to take at this point in time to be able to avert potential problematic or disastrous situation in the future. So that's where the agile or agility of the mind comes in. And every leader, whether it's in digital space or any other space, must have those attributes so that they bring forth a change, a positive change in the organization. The fifth and the last one is, of course, being flexible. So we all know that digital technology has an obsolescence risk. So technology changes and changes really, really fast. So what's today a buzz, tomorrow may not be a buzz. So as leaders, you must be able to have the mind to accept changes, to bring in new ideas, to switch to better technologies, to change expectations very, very quickly for both yourself, your team, your management, your organization overall, and also for the customers and other stakeholders. So you must, in your own mind, must be open to accepting new, revolutionary, innovative ideas and changes, new aspects coming in, better technologies coming in, all of that. So that's what I mean when I say being flexible. So, so those were the 5 traits that you should have. So being intelligent, being innovative, you must have that mind of being an analytical person. You must be able to bring in flexibility in your thinking and your process of doing work. And all these 4 actually encompass what is called the agile mind. So these are the 5 traits that, in my mind, a digital leader must have to be able to excel in today's day of digital transformation and whatever you call it in the digital world. So that's it, guys. So that's what I had today. As you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital technology marketing leader with over 20 years of global experience. My LinkedIn URL will be in the description below. Please feel free to connect with me. You can get a copy of this tutorial when you subscribe to the newsletters. I work with many companies and startups as consultant. So if you're looking to engaging me as your consultant, please click yes on the third field of the form, and I shall reach out to you. Now, so please, before I go, please subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell icon. Please share my videos. Please comment on my videos and let me know what else you could potentially be looking out for uh, from me to talk about. So, well, that's it, guys. So thank you very much for hearing me out, and I shall see you very, very soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.